is how it is. This is called the customer life cycle. Yeah, anything you would like to share? Reach. How is your reach? Reach has to be maximum for you to get the clients. Is it not? So here marketing plays a very important role. Acquisition is getting the clients here. Okay. Conversion. There will be 100 calls in one day you will get. How many of them will be converted? That ratio is very small. Is it not? Even if it is 0.2% also, I think that's a good conversion. Even we receive 100 calls every day from parents asking the details of the college. We make a note of it, we follow it up. See, that is a cycle again. Following it up again and again and again until you convert that into the admission for us, okay, for you the client. Retention, again very important thing. Till here everybody does very well and they start thinking they are the king. Here is the important thing, this retention of the client is very important. For that, again after sales service, then loyalty. The client has to be loyal to you. For that, again you need to give service. See, again they are all interrelated. So this goes on. CRM process, customer relationship management. How do you do that? Please understand these two, very important for all of you. This we have done, okay, customer life cycle we have done. Generate brand awareness. How do you reach to maximum people? If you want to generate brand awareness, your reach has to be more. Only then people will know about you. Acquire leads, same thing, acquisition. You have to get the leads, then convert leads into customers. That conversion. Provide superior support, after sales service. Drive upsells and referrals, loyalty. You have to give something extra to that client so that he stays with you. Why should he stay with you? Why? There should be something, no, that extra thing you have to give. Multitasking. Like our mothers, we have to do multitasking. You need to have 10 hands. Okay, you have one brain, that brain can be divided into many portions. Is it not? Women are better in multitasking. Definitely, women are better. Yeah, it's not a joke, true. Can you do whatever a woman does from morning to evening? No, you can't. How many things she does in one day? So, multitasking is very important. Suppose this work is given to you, again something else also will be given to you. Don't say, I don't want to do this because this is important. No, you have to do both. Never say no for any work. You are the marketing executive, suppose. You have been given some other work. Maybe the cameraman is not there and you have to handle the camera. Why not do it? Why not learn something new? That should be your attitude. Not that, no, that's not my cup of tea. I don't want to do it. If that attitude is there, you won't go far. Creative, out of the box thinking. Adenti, what does that mean? Such a big word. No, that doesn't mean anything. This is a problem given to you. You will have to find a solution in the simplest possible manner. Okay, I want to fix the AC. How can I fix the AC? Okay, I need certain things. Make a list of it. Or call that guy, whoever AC guy is there. Simplest, is it not? You doing it yourself, getting the AC fixed is very difficult, correct? But getting that guy and getting it fixed is the simplest solution available, right? Here, because this is very important for all of you, creativity and out of the box thinking go hand in hand, problem solving also, okay? So, we will do an activity here. In a new way, in the simplest possible way, how do you solve a problem? There your creative head, your left side of the brain works. Please pass on each paper to everybody, please. ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ ఫ్లయింగ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఏదో ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఏది ఫ్లై అవుతుంది and you have to throw all that at me once you make the object, please. That is the problem given to you. Okay, the problem is to make a flying object out of that piece of paper. The solution has to be simple. Solution has to be simple. See how well they do this? Some creative juices here. Oh, amazing. So I asked you a problem. There was a problem, correct? Creatively you had to solve the problem. The simplest thing. Is it not flying? It is. Why did you invest so much of time and energy into making a rocket? Not needed. I just said a flying object, I didn't mention rocket. So that is how you have to solve a problem in a very simple way. The more you complicate, the more the problem becomes. Is it not? That is why this activity was done. Very simple activity, is it not? Hope you all liked it. Yes, one more thing, problem solving. How do you solve a problem in the simplest manner? Solution has to be very simple. All right, let's do another activity here. Please use all your brains. This is not a mathematical equation to be solved. Please think out of the box. Think, put it on paper. A plus B plus B plus B plus B plus 80 plus 90 equal to 100. You have to arrive at this solution in a simplest possible manner, effectively. Think.
That's not a problem.
Yeah, very close. Who's that? Who said that? Think in those terms. Awesome. When she said song, he got it, isn't it? Right.
I was thinking on that line, but I didn't know.
Amazing. All right, so that is how you have to arrive at a solution in a very simplest manner, is using your creative brain, is it not? That is why this activity was done. Fine? Yes, comfort with technology you all have, otherwise you wouldn't be here, is it not? Yes. Lifelong learner. You have to be a lifelong learner, only then you can go ahead in your career. If you think you know all, you are done, doomed. You are doomed on that day itself. Never think that you know everything. Never, until you die. After death we don't know what will happen. We are not bothered.
Someone else will learn.
Exactly. You should be a role model to many. That's how you should be. Okay, even after your death, people should talk about you, should talk about how he or she used to think and work. Suppose you leave the company and go, maybe after 10 years, Divya will tell somebody else, this person was there in our company, he used to solve the problems like this. It should be like that. For that you need to learn, unlearn and learn. If you have to learn, you have to unlearn whatever you have learnt. Otherwise you can't learn, because that is already stagnant in you. You think that you know all. Game changer. If you acquire all the soft skills, definitely it will be a game changer for you and you can do well in your professional life. So now the discussion is open. Anything to be discussed or asked, please do let me know.
Madam, in that communication skills లో coordination skills అంటే దాంట్లో నుంచే వస్తాయి కాబట్టి if anything is there coordination గురించి ఒకసారి.
Yeah. See, you work in a team.
Yeah.
Like you both are a team, I think, no? You both. Yeah. So there should be a coordination between these two. Only then coordination ante endi? Communicating whatever is there. He wants to communicate something. Adi etla develop cheyali lepothe some technicalities maybe. Then he has to communicate with him, with the other person of his team. ఆ కమ్యూనికేషన్, ఆ కోఆర్డినేషన్ లేకుంటే the end result will be very bad, and it shows that coordination లేదని ఈజీలీ కనిపెట్టొచ్చు. ద ఎండ్ వీడియో మీరు ఏం చేస్తారో, ద ఎండ్ వీడియో చూసిన తర్వాత అక్కడ తెలుస్తుంది ద ఎంటైర్ టీమ్ ఇస్ అట్ వర్క్, ద ఎంటైర్ టీంలో కోఆర్డినేషన్ ఉంది అని. సో ఎస్, కోఆర్డినేషన్ ప్లేస్ అ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రోల్ అగైన్. See, all these are interrelated. Whatever you talk about the communication skills now, they're all interrelated. Definitely yoga will help, meditation will help. Negativity will spoil you, your health, the person who is with you, everybody gets affected with negativity.
The entire team.
Yes.
To be frank.
Even your house for that matter, your family also gets affected. So never have those negative thoughts. Try to calm down. See, in your area, lot of stress is involved, definitely. So try to calm down, use meditative techniques. There are many, if you Google it, there are many. There is 108 times Om meditation. Amazing benefits it has, amazing results. You can use that, it hardly takes 10 minutes time, not much.
You can also get swing.
If you have to use those 10 minutes properly, then you need to have time management. See, again interrelated as I told. For that you need to have discipline. So please try to calm down. Don't give in to negative thoughts or negative behavior of the other person. That will doom you. See, you have very good bosses. You can just go and talk to them openly. Whatever it is, whatever problems you have, it can be solved. Instead of talking to somebody else and they adding fire to it and making it even a bigger problem, it's better you approach them. If they like it, fine. If they don't like it, fine. At least you have approached them. At least they'll know that you are a straightforward person. Instead of relenting into gossips, and office gossips will be there. Office politics will be there. Don't give in to those politics, whoever it is. Even if he is your boss, do not give in to politics. And let me tell you one more thing, every organization, if you think HiBiz is not good, it has a lot of politics, and you go into another organization, same thing will be there. Only the faces and the names change, the characters remain the same everywhere. Trust me on this, I have faced this. In spite of all that, if you grow, then you are a winner. Otherwise you become a loser. If you give in to politics, if you give in to gossips, rumors, no use. Keep your nose straight, work straight, that's it. Yeah, anybody else? During the COVID time, when the things were really tough, how many? Please raise your hands. How many? Please raise your hands. Maybe last year. Everyone got? Yes. Can I say 100 out of 100 people got salaries? They didn't stop the salaries? Come on man, answer me. ఎప్పుడైనా స్టాప్ అయిందా salary మీకు? No. Everybody got their salaries, though late. That itself speaks a lot about the organization. I didn't know about all this. That's why I asked. Sorry, I asked in front of you, but I wanted to know I wanted to know the truth. If the organization was bad, if the bosses were bad, they would have taken money and not given to you. We have laid off so many people during COVID, trust me on this. I have laid almost 20 people, I have given pink slips. Very difficult times. The director said we don't have money. We'll have to lay off many people. Who are the first ones to be affected? The lower strata. The class 4 employees are affected. Then comes the next class 3 employees. So if you people were given salaries during the COVID time also, and if you are retained in the organization, that itself speaks a lot about the organization. And for this very reason, you shouldn't ask for a hike. They will give you whenever the time is right. You work hard, you show your loyalty. Definitely they will do it. If the organization grows, you grow. Your growth is nothing but salary growth, right? They will give it, I know. Is it not, madam? If I am wrong, please correct me.
Definitely.